I was looking for a quick, easy, and convenient way to keep my Keurig coffee maker descaled without going through a complicated descaling process. And these quick and clean pods really do the trick. All you have to do is put it in like you're gonna brew a cup of coffee and brew the highest volume that you can. So for me, that is 12 ounces. Thankfully, my coffee maker wasn't too dirty this time, but this water is a bit brown. So once you are done running the cycle with the cleaning pod, simply remove the cleaning pod, empty your vessel, and then run clear water through to rinse your machine clean. The directions say to run a water-only cleansing rinse cycle through once, but just for good measure, I do it 2 or 3 times. If you're looking for a quick and clean way to keep your Keurig in tip-top shape and descaled, I recommend these pods 100%.